Hi there fitness fam, welcome back to Food Fit Focus. In this video we are sharing our top tips and tricks on how to burn calories after eating junk foods. From quick workouts to simple lifestyle changes, whether you are a foodie, a busy bee or just someone who loves a good cheat meal, this video is for you. So if you are ready to learn how to offset the calories and get back on track, keep watching until the end because we are about to spill all our secrets on how to burn calories after eating junk foods. Number 1. Exercise. Engage in physical activities like cardio, strength training or high intensity interval training to burn calories and offset the negative effects of junk food. Number 2. Increase water intake. Drink plenty of water to help flush out toxins and boost metabolism. Number 3. Eat fiber-rich foods. Include foods high in fiber like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet to help digest junk food and promote satiety. Number 4. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep to help regulate hunger hormones and support weight management. Number 5 and most important point to burn calories after eating junk food is incorporating NEAT activities. Engage in non-exercise activities, thermogenesis activities like walking, stretching or fidgeting to burn additional calories. Number 6. Strength training. Build muscle mass through strength training exercise to increase resting metabolic rate and burn more calories at rest. Number 7. High intensity interval training. Incorporate high intensity interval training workouts to burn calories efficiently and improve insulin sensitivity. Number 8. Take probiotics. Consider taking probiotics to support gut health and promote a healthy metabolism. Number 9. Green tea. Drink green tea to boost metabolism and enhance fat burning. Last and number 10. Get enough protein. Include protein-rich foods into your diet to help build and repair muscles, which can help burn more calories. Remember, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle to compensate for the occasional consumption of junk food. Eat well and stay healthy. Thank you.